Hey everyone, my name's Sarah and I am a background actor here in Atlanta. Hashtag Atlanta film scene. So I have a little bit of experience with set makeup and I do my own makeup for Halloween. I love Halloween. Not everybody goes out when we have our parties, but I try to go all out. So this year, I'm being Beetlejuice. And when I was in college, my dad actually was Beetlejuice one year, and so just as like an honor to him, I decided to do Beetlejuice this year, and I DIY'd my whole costume. I went to a thrift store and got just a black blazer and a black skirt, and then I went to a local hardware store and I got white electrical tape, and I just eyeballed it and like just laid the tape down. And I'll show you that after I'm done with my makeup. So first, I'm gonna do my makeup. And Beetlejuice has like this super white face, obviously. So I didn't want to ruin my makeup sponge, so I just went to the dollar store and got this cheapo makeup sponge, and then I just got this at just like the Halloween section at the department store. I'm just going to use the white and extra. Okay, so that's my white layer. So I have found that if I do a layer of the purple that comes with the makeup, the Halloween makeup, and then a layer of the purple eyeshadow, it just stays on better and it looks brighter and darker. So we're gonna do that next. Okay, so now I've got this little purple palette that I am going to go over top of this purple with. It just makes it deeper. See how it's darker? So we're going to go into hyper mode. Alright, so now I'm going to give myself some contouring because I'm, you know, dead or whatever. he has that mossiness all over him. So I'm going to take this green just from this little palette here, and I'm just going to add some green. I'm going to make it kind of chunky and gross looking. Maybe even add a little brown with the green, just to make it look mossy. Okay, so next up you get to see my DIY costume. Okay, so now I bought this just green hairspray, this little green cap, and I'm gonna try it. Finished costume. Again, it's just electrical tape and black skirt and a black jacket that I got at the thrift store.
Yeah.